back to the channel. I am Jordan, and today VICTON is back with Howling. And let me just tell you, I will be honest, I'm not as familiar with this group as I am with others. However, Nostalgic Night, probably top 7 favorite songs of last year. Like, that song just, it took me and snatched me in all different ways, and I instantly was like, okay, this group has my attention. I am like full on. They just have such a unique sound. Like, they just have like this uniqueness about them that I don't hear very often. I'm just really excited to see and hear what they're going to do. On top of that, like, I'm still off the hype of Nostalgic Night, so they're still like really, like, I listen to that song at least 5 to 7 times a day. But anyway, let's just go and get into this. And a 3, a 2, a 1. The hair color. What is... Okay, first of all, the fashion, insane. Oh my god, it's like... It's such like a chill drop, and you... my god. I'm so speechless right now. This is giving me like second generation K-pop, but also like a very modern sound to it, but also, and this video just... God, this is so good. Like, I am so happy that I've stopped sleeping on them. I saw you in them arms. God, they're so attractive. Like, they're all visuals. Is that a pomegranate? I love that, like, there's like that sound in the background, but it's mixed with like a trap R&B type beat, and it's... I love that scene right there. It's... God, I want to dye my hair that color so bad, but I know my hair would probably fall out. This is such like a beautiful, but like a very, I saw that hand grab. It's like so beautiful, but it's also like very dark at the same time. And like those background vocals. I'm literally so in love right now. Holy crap. Okay. That... First of all, was that Sejun with the blue hair? That, like, I love me some blue hair, first of all. But aside from that, this whole group, the visuals of this group, like, they all called me ugly to my face, and I'm not even mad. And like the song, like it's like dark, but it's also like a very like, and I like that they used like a trap type beat, but it wasn't like overbearing, and they still brought in like a different sound, and it just worked so well. And this video, like the the scene where they're like on that stage that's like made of stone or whatever, like that is like burned into my mind. Like that, this whole video was just like art. This is why I like discovering lesser known groups, because they have songs like these that end up being like one of my top favorites. Like I already know this song is definitely going to be one of my favorites this year. I'm literally just like so impressed. Like going back to Nostalgic Night, that song and video, I almost felt like a Nostalgic Night kind of influence to this. Like it had like that electronic different type sound, but it was also completely different at the same time. But I just like unique songs that it's not like the normal, and that's why I'm starting to really love their discography, because it's so different, but yet it works so well for them. And I wish more people would recognize their talent. I mean, even though I really can't say anything because I was one of them at one time. However, I have opened my eyes to them, and now there's like no going back. So anyway, thanks so much for checking this out. Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on social media. Y'all have a great day. I will see y'all later. Bye.